So for 53, it says you have a spiral staircase with 15 steps. It says that the steps are a sector with a specific radius. So the steps look kind of like this. Okay, the radius is 42 inches, and the angle measure is given in radians as pi over 8. Okay, and here's what it asks you in part A. It says, what's the length of the arc formed by the outer edge of a step? And so here it's a straight arc length problem. So you're looking, what is this arc length? And so the arc length equation for a sector or the arc of a circle when you're given the measure in terms of radians is going to be the following. The radius times the angle measure in radians. So all we have to do for this first one is take 42 and multiply by pi over 8. When we do that, 42 times pi over 8. I'm going to put a decimal here so my answer is displayed as a decimal, and I get about 16.5. Okay, that'll be my the length of that arc formed. And now, did I ask you B as well? Okay, so when we go to part C, and how many square inches of carpeting would you need to cover this? So now it becomes an area problem. The area formula for a sector in terms of a angle measured in radians is 1/2 the radius squared times that angle measure in radians. And so if we take this measure, we get 1/2 of 42 squared times pi over 8. And since there's 15 steps, we're going to multiply this answer by 15. And so if we take that, 1/2 is 0.5 times 42 squared times the quantity pi divided by 8. And I'm going to multiply that whole thing by 15. And I get my solution about 5195.4. Again, you don't need to worry about the units, but it's square inches for the units.